I began by watching Ali Hoka online and followed his work for nearly a year. Jaw surgery is a type of operation that can be intimidating for many, but honestly, there's really no reason to be afraid. Before the surgery, I had some very small doubts inside me. I managed to overcome my fears after meeting Ali Hoka in person at Esteport. We chose to have the surgery, thankfully. My surgery went well, and it has now been exactly 2 years and 1 month since then. I stopped by to see Ali Hoka today for another visit, and I'm thinking about getting a hair transplant. I'm really pleased with the results. Anyone considering this surgery should not be afraid. They should come and discuss it first. They should research.
I was afraid of the surgery, but not the operation. I was concerned about losing sensation permanently because nerves might be harmed. I feared permanent nerve damage. Ali Bey calmed me down a bit more. Yes, it was a significant operation. I underwent upper jaw surgery and had bone removed from the sides of my jaw. And so, the day of the surgery finally arrived. Dr. Ali had managed to calm my nerves. We had the surgery on the very last day. I hardly felt any pain after the operation. There was no jaw pain for me? No, just a week of headaches. So there's a sensation loss for about 1.5 to 2 months. I had liquid food for 1.5 to 2 months. Then I moved on to eating some puree.
Was this process hard for you?
I experienced no difficulties whatsoever. The only challenge was a week of headaches and some numbness that made it hard to talk. Other than that, I faced no problems. I'm absolutely happy. The difference is significant. You will see it when they share. They shouldn't be afraid of me, because after the surgery, I didn't feel any pain at all. I don't know if it's just me, but I hardly felt any pain. The only difficulty I faced was numbness and the inability to eat. Aside from that, I had no problems.
On the first day, we talked with Dr. Ali about whether the chin is protruding or recessed. We discussed that we need to undergo double chin surgery. First, my intermediary said that I needed to undergo orthodontic treatment and then have surgery. We went through a year of dental treatment and then had the surgery. In the first 2 weeks, the diet mainly includes liquid foods like soup, pasta, fruit juices, and yogurt, and so on. I didn't go through a lot of difficulties. It was absolutely worth it. You begin to bounce back after 2 weeks. Following that,
you can concentrate on your job. When I got there, Ali showed me the results of his work on people, their photos. He compared before and after. There was a huge difference in those pictures. Then he gave me information about the surgery. Don't be afraid at all. He told me that I would become a totally different person. He boosted my self-confidence significantly. He provided me with immense trust. Before the operation, Ali visited me. We chatted. He advised me not to worry. The surgery will be great. When you wake up, it will feel like a truck ran over you. Then I went in. I emerged from the operation. I was already observing everything. Ali arrived. I told him I was fine. I'm good, but my face was really swollen. I wasn't crying with my mouth shut. Plus, the best part about Ali is that he doesn't use anything to tie the jaw. He doesn't bind it with rubber bands. You can eat liquid foods in that regard, once the effects of anesthesia wear off. On the first day, there isn't much pain due to the anesthesia, but the second day is like this. It feels like a week of pain, but it passes with painkillers. It's like a headache, a different kind of pain. I can't really describe it. Well, there's not much pain.
I felt tension in my upper jaw. Contrary to that, I thought the opposite. Later, I was referred to Ali Hoka. I had known him for a long time. My sister had already had a double chin operation. He was quite successful. It was around 2016. After that, I came to Ali Hoka. I was welcomed very nicely here by everyone. We talked later. It made a lot of sense to me. My surgery went very well this way. As you can see, this is our 3rd day now. My surgery process was like this. Normally, I thought it would be much harder. I thought I wouldn't be able to breathe at all. I was scared because of that. It was quite a lot in my surroundings, because a lot of negative things came to me. But it turned out the opposite. I think it went very well in terms of both appearance and surgery. I am currently feeding on liquid food, as I have to. After that, I can sometimes eat puree. I felt a bit of pain on the first day. We did quite a bit with painkillers and such. We supplemented. Later on, I started using medications and stuff. Then there was the nasal spray. Let it be a gargle. They have started to feel very good. Right now there is no pain or discomfort at all. I think absolutely no one should be afraid. No one should approach with prejudice. Everyone can come here and talk to Dr. Ali as they wish, and afterwards they can have peace of mind about the surgery.